Hello everyone. In this video, we discuss Model Tenancy Act. The Union Cabinet on June 2nd, 2021 approved the draft Model Tenancy Law in a move that is likely to revive India's rental housing market by effectuating a multitude of reforms. Let us scrutinize how the Model Tenancy Act 2019 aims to fix this problem so that the demand supply gap is bridged on the lines of the real estate regulation authority that have been set up under the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016. States could set up rent authorities in cities after its establishment. Landlord and tenants would have to be present before the authority to get the rent agreement registered. In its part, the authority will set up a website to maintain all the data it receives in the form of rent agreement. No person shall, after the commencement of this act, let or take on rent any premise except by an agreement in written, which shall be informed to the rent authority by the landlord and tenant in the form specified in the first schedule within a period of 2 months from the date of agreement. Reads the policy document. Rent Courts Tribunal to address disputes under the Model Tenancy Act. In case of any discontent, the contracting parties would first approach the rent authority for a solution. In case the disputing parties are not satisfied with the order of the rent authority, they could approach the Rent Court Tribunal to seek relief. These courts have will have to pass an order within 60 days of receiving a complaint. After the rent courts are set up, civil courts will have no jurisdiction over disputes pertaining to rent housing. Only the rent court and no civil court shall have jurisdiction except the jurisdiction of the rent authority under section 30 to hear and decide the application relating to disputes between landlord and tenant. States the act. How effective can the Model Tenancy Law be? Model Tenancy Act will enable institutionalization of rent housing by gradually shifting it towards the formal market. It is accept to give a flip to private participation in rent housing as a business model. For addressing the huge housing shortage, the Housing Ministry said when the law was approved. According to the report by Knight Frank and Cathan Corporation 2021, a new era for rental real estate in India. The act will have far-reaching implications for both the residential and commercial real estate assets classes and will help create a three-tier regulatory ecosystem for the stakeholders. From a residential standpoint, the report cites that India's high vacant stock of total residential census housing can be brought within the fold of formal rental housing once the act is implemented by state and union territory in letter and spirit. The government accepts that the Model Tenancy Act will facilitate unlocking of vacant houses in India key housing markets. It is expected to give a flip to private participation in rental housing as a business model for addressing the huge housing shortage.